Welcome back to Learn with Miss Aira. Today, we're going to transform the way you study. Artificial intelligence is a powerful tool, but the secret to unlocking its full potential lies in how you talk to it. In this video, I'm sharing 10 essential ChatGPT prompts that will save you time and help you get better results. Whether you're revising for exams or starting a new chapter, these prompts are your new best friends. ChatGPT is incredibly powerful, but remember, the quality of the answer depends entirely on the quality of your prompt. Prompt number 1 is for when you're stuck on a complex concept. Simply ask ChatGPT to explain it in simple words for a beginner. Number 2 is a lifesaver for heavy reading. Use this to summarize long chapters into clear, concise revision notes. Third, if a concept feels too abstract, ask for real-life examples. This makes the information much easier to remember. Fourth, prep for your tests by asking ChatGPT to generate exam-oriented questions based on your study material. Number 5 helps with organization. Ask it to create a personalized study timetable to keep you on track. Sixth, turn ChatGPT into your personal tutor. Ask it to teach you a topic step by step, just like a teacher would. Seventh, if you need a quick overview, ask for the information in bullet points for better readability. Number 8 is for your writing. Paste your draft and ask ChatGPT to improve the structure and clarity. Ninth, challenge yourself. Ask for a quiz on your topic to see how much you've actually retained. And finally, number 10. Use this for last-minute revision by asking for the most critical points in a very short format. To help you even further, I've put together a free PDF with 20 of my favorite ChatGPT prompts for students. You can download it right now using the link in the video description. Don't miss out. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn with Miss Aira for more tips on studying smarter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.